Do you ever feel like you need a creative kickstart? Me too. You want to play with your art supplies, you want to play with your paints and your inks and your stamps, but you're just feeling stuck. You want to express yourself with abandon. You want to just enjoy the creative fun, the free spirit of it all. What do? What are you going to make? Where do you start? I have an idea. We know we have stamps. We know we have paper. We know we have inks. So let's just get started. Let's stamp it out, because I know you're a creative just like me. Dare I say you're an artist just like me? So I know you have these materials. So join me and let's just stamp out a bunch of paper and see what happens. Yes, here is my art table paper. It needs to be taken care of, but I'm not going to deal with that right now because I have this pile of papers that I want to stamp on. And some of them are just painted 4x6 index cards. And you've heard me talk about my 4x6 index cards, so I know you know about those. And just other papers that have been sitting around. Yes, this was an art table paper once, but it's now been torn up, and I'm just going to stamp out some paper because I know it's going to feel really, really good.